The question is that which of the following molecule is non-aromatic? There are the four options given. If we see, this is the phenol. Definitely the phenol containing the benzene ring is a no issue. Definitely the aromatic. The remaining three, in which this one is the cyclooctatetrene. This one is a cycloheptatriene cation, and this one is the benzene. For determination whether the given compound is aromatic or non-aromatic, we have to follow the aromatic criteria or aromatic rules. So if we apply this four rules to this structure, so what we find, the first rule says that cross check whether or not. The having the p orbital. So if we see all the carbon atom in a cycloheptatriene cation in sp2 hybridization, and this all this carbon atom in a sp2 hybridization. This one is also the sp2 hybridization, and this positive charge carb cation is also in a sp2 hybridization. So it also satisfies the second rule also. Third criteria says that the compound should be the planar. So the maximum overlapping of a p orbital and delocalization is possible. So all the carbon atom in sp2 hybridization, that's why the compound is planar. Now the fourth rule, it should satisfy the Huckel rule, that is 4n plus 2 is equal to pi electron, where the value of pi is 6. Two with this bond, 2 pi electron with this bond, 2 pi electron with this bond. So total 6 electron. So we got the answer n is equal to 1, means it satisfies the fourth criteria also, means compound is aromatic. Now if we apply the same four rules to this compound, compound is cyclic, all the carbon atom in cyclooctatetrene having the p orbital, because all the carbon atom in sp2 hybridization. You see, all the carbon atom is doubly bonded with the next carbon atom. That's why it having the p unhybridized p orbital. Then the compound is planar because all the carbon atom in sp2 hybridization. That's why the compound is planar. Now, if we apply the fourth rule, that is Huckel's rule, 4n plus 2 is equal to pi electron. So here number of the pi electron is 2 from this, 2 from this, 2 from this, and 2 from this. So total 8 electron. So we got 6 upon 4. The value is somewhat in between a 4.5. Means the value of n is not a integer value, that is in a fraction form. That's why it not satisfy the fourth rule, means compound is anti-aromatic. So this one is probably the answer. Just now going to this compound benzene. This C compound is cyclic, all the carbon atom having the p orbital, compound is planar. Now if we apply the Huckel's rule, 4n plus 2 is equal to only the from this 2 electron, this 2 pi electron not take part in a delocalization. It is perpendicular to this planar. That's why that this 2 electron not take part in a delocalization. That total 6 to 1. Answer is that is a non-aromatic.